I'm waiting for.
Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be doing some extreme spring organization. I had a hallway storage closet that needed a complete do-over, and I'm also going to be organizing my bathroom cupboards under the sink, and we're going to be rearranging my bedroom. So it's going to be really fun. If you have any housework or cleaning you need to do, just throw on this video and we'll get it all done together. So I just started by cleaning out the closet and then wiping down all the surfaces so I had a clean space to work with. So I've got this closet completely cleaned out and made a complete mess of my floor. So the next step is to grab all of my storage bins. Okay, so I went to the Dollar Tree. So the Dollar Tree has a whole bunch of organizing bins in pretty much every color and style you can think of. So these are like a medium-sized storage bin. I got tan and brown because I just like the neutrals. So for bigger items that I need to organize, I got these white bins. White is always a good choice when organizing because it helps everything look nice and clean. So then it was time to get everything into the storage bins, and I'm gonna be honest, I didn't really have a solid game plan for the bins that I got. I just kind of had to go through a trial and error process, seeing what items would work best in the storage bins. Sometimes I would put things into a storage bin and then take it out and completely redo it. So it was definitely a little bit of a puzzle, but once everything was organized and put in place, I promise you it was so satisfying to look at. So the process is definitely worth it.
'Cause when I'm not here, it's like I'm falling. And I don't know why I feel pain. 'Cause when I'm not here, I keep on falling. Yeah, I've been waiting in silence to see a little bit of fire.
We have some like light bulbs and other breakable items that I wanted to keep in a safer space rather than the open organizers. So I got these containers. I got 2 of them, and I actually found these in the food container section.
Yeah, I've been waiting in silence to see a little bit of fire, but all I see is you. I keep looking, I keep searching.
I got this black crate to help store tools in because these crates are a little more sturdy. So for heavier items, tools can tend to be a little bit heavy. So I got this, and the dollar store also has these toolboxes, which I will say these are not the greatest quality. So if you need a toolbox for like heavier tools, I wouldn't really recommend this.
What happened to us? What happened to all the love we always took for granted? Are we stranded? Is it too late? Is it too late to color feelings that have faded? Complicated. I'm waiting for an answer, waiting for a sparkle to come to ignite love. I need no second chances. I'm tired of romances without love. So where do we go when we can't find?
So I found these vacuum storage bags. I have seen these everywhere, but I've never actually used them. So I'm hoping that the Dollar Tree version will be just as good.
'Cause I'm a satellite around you tonight. Nothing's gonna bring me down. As long as the stars in the sky, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes.
All right, so here are the final results of my closet organization. A little tour. Come in, and all of the plastic bags that were on the floor are now hanging up over here. I used one of the command hooks. All of those spare blankets that I'm trying to save, I vacuum sealed and just stuck them right there. Vacuums now have a new home. We were kind of just sticking them in here wherever they would fit, but they both fit perfectly right here. And then back here we have some extra shelves, and this is an extra piece to our dining table. This is Brian's large toolbox, so all of his big tools are stored in there, and it fits perfectly in this little pocket. So we have another vacuum down there. It's a little portable vacuum. And then on this shelf, we have all of the other tool stuff. So this is Brian's like main tool bag. He goes in here for everything. So I decided to just let that be. I just left it there. And then this is actually my toolbox that I got from Target. And then here's the dollar store toolbox. So some extra tool stuff back here in this crate. And then also some other tool related items back there. So up here is a bunch of cleaning stuff. So in here we have Clorox wipes, Lysol, disinfectant. And here is our duster along with all of the extra pads. And here we have all of our extra sponges, and back there I stored some, these are like fans that we use, mini fans for the summertime. And then we go up here, and surprisingly I had one of these bins left, so we have some extra space for more storage if we need to store things in there. These are some light bulbs, batteries. And back there were some larger items that didn't fit in any of the bins. So that's actually a snow cone maker, and this is a humidifier for when the kids are sick. So in this bin back here, I put the extra packages of the Clorox wipes just to keep them all together. And then here is a bunch of just miscellaneous larger items that I put in this bucket. And all of those reusable bags I have finally got in order. I had to fold up all of the reusable bags in order for them to fit in this tub, but I did get them all to fit. So I had to put a few of the bags in this bin just because they were large. So these are where all of my reusable bags are now. So much more organized than it was before. And in here I put some paper bags, and I have a free space right here that I could add something else for organization. And then right on the inside of the door, above the plastic bags, is all of our toilet paper and paper towels, because we go through those things a lot. So I just took them out of the large packaging and put them up here individually, and I think it looks so much better. So that's pretty much it. That's how the closet turned out.
It's breaking my heart. It's breaking my heart to see you acting like you don't care, like a nightmare. What happened to us?
So I also got these bins. I got this really pretty teal color.
What happened to all the love we always took for granted? Are we stranded? I'm waiting for an answer, waiting for a sparkle to come to ignite love. I need no second chances. I'm tired of romances without love. So where do we go when we can't find our way? I don't wanna be alone. So what do we do when we're lost and depraved? I need you to show me the way. 'Cause I'm a satellite around you tonight. Nothing's gonna bring me down.
I did get some smaller organizers as well. So basically, you would just place these in your storage space, and then you're able to place items on top and also store items on the bottom.
As long as the stars in your eyes. 'Cause I'm a satellite around you tonight. Nothing's gonna bring me down. As long as the stars in the sky. things you've seen, all the things, all the places. I hope it means that.
Okay, so here's the under the sink organization in my bathroom. It didn't exactly work out how I thought it would, but I just had to kind of make the best of it. So in here I stored the extra Q-tips, extra round cotton pads. These are the trash bags for the bathroom, and I have some extra like random beauty products in there. And then back here, I used one of the bins to store all of my pads and tampons. It's a little TMI, but I like to buy them in bulk, so I just have them ready to go and don't have to repurchase them every single month. So up here, I used one of these sticky hooks to store this toilet seat cover because my youngest, Cecilia, is potty training. So we use this every now and then, but she does have a sit-down potty that she's using right now, but we may use this eventually. Over here is where I used the little wire shelves to create more space, and then under I was able to fit these two smaller size bins. Any sort of medicine type stuff is stored right there. And I had a really large box for my nail polish that I really didn't need the large box anymore. I ended up just picking out the colors that I really wanted to keep and putting them in here. Some more nail stuff. I just store my nail polish remover here. I ended up putting all the stuff for my press-on nails in there. So I have some press-on nails, some nail glue. In here I have some nail files, so just alcohol, hydrogen peroxide. We have big bottles of them, so they kind of fit perfectly right here. And then I fit one more wire basket back here, and that just has some extra stuff. This is like an extra hand soap and hand lotion, extra of Brian's body wash, and we have another bottle of hydrogen peroxide back here. So that's how it turned out. It looks way better and more organized than it did before.
Life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination.
So recently we went to the mattress store and purchased a brand new mattress. Our old mattress was just too worn in and was way too soft for us. We couldn't get comfortable. So since we're going to be changing out the bed, I figured I would take this opportunity to pretty much redo the entire bedroom. So that's why I'm rearranging the bedroom today. And it actually felt really good to kind of change things up in the bedroom. When you rearrange your furniture, it kind of brings a whole new like energy into the space, and the space also got really clean because I was cleaning as I was organizing, so I could clean up all of those small spaces, the nooks and crannies that don't get cleaned all the time. So it just felt really good to have a nice little change in my bedroom. So not cute right now. I wanted to show you guys what I ordered on Amazon. We've made some progress in this room. We're getting there. So I believe this package is the sheets. Yeah, it is. So I decided to go with this really nice like taupe color. And then I got this pack of pillowcases. So that's the color of the pillowcases. Let's just go ahead and open it. These are really soft. That's a good sign. Here is the comforter. Ooh. And it's by the same company. I actually didn't realize that when I ordered it. I'm excited. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I am going to take all this bedding stuff and get it all on the bed. Say hi, Cece.
You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination.
So that's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this spring organization journey. And if you have any cleaning and organizing to do this spring, I hope this video helped to motivate you, especially with everything going on in the world right now. I think it's a great time for us to focus on getting things in order at home and also relieve a little bit of anxiety in the process. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!
I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation.